So in this short lecture we will see how we can resolve this ticket or this error you are facing while you are creating BP, business partner, in SAP S4 HANA. So right now I'm trying to create a BP in SAP S4 HANA 2023 and I'm getting this error. Like once I'm selecting the roles from here and grouping from here, and let me click on check, I am facing this error. You cannot create a vendor with grouping this SPL. So I am facing this error. How can I resolve this error? Okay. So like if it's any version of SAP S4 HANA, if it's a earlier version of 2023 or like a new version of SAP, or it's like a private cloud, so that uh, the way to resolve that is going to be same, exactly same. So how I can resolve? So like there could be the reason like my mapping of my BP, business partner, and vendor is not correctly mapped. So how can I map that? So I need to go in SPRO and let me check that. Go to SPRO, go to implementation guide, and then just go to cross application component, this node, and here just go to master data synchronization. So here master data synchronization is there, and here we will go to customer vendor integration. Here this node is there, customer vendor integration, and in customer vendor integration we will go to business partner setting. So here you can see business partner setting, just go it, and here we will just go to setting for vendor integration, this one. So we will just go to this node and just go to assign keys, and here you can see define number, assignment, direction, BP to vendor. So we will just go to this node and we will execute, and just go to position and give your grouping. So in my case I was getting for grouping SPL. So whatever grouping, for whatever grouping you are getting that error, just give that grouping. Now you see here. So this is my grouping, okay, and this is my account group. So my account group is not assigned with my grouping. So I will assign my account group, whatever account group I have configured, I have created, I will assign with my that grouping, BP grouping. Just hit enter, and this must be selected as same number range. Okay, so it's fine. So let me remove this because it's just taking external number range. So hit enter and save. Now let me check is that error is resolved or not. Most probably it will be resolved. So just wait a while. Stucking. Just wait. Okay, now it's saved. Now let me check to create a BP again. So here it is. Let me check. Now this is error free, you can see. So like that you can resolve that easily, right? So now I can save this BP easily. I can create and I can save, right? So that error is resolved, like right? So this is how you can resolve this error.